MLB Prize Picks for Thursday, June 6th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. Hit that like button. 5 total plays. Trying to win 10x today. Let's hit the intro. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. Let you compare prize pick odds, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. But we have to take a detour today. We're going to have 5 MLB plays, but actually 4 MLB plays, but we're going for 10x, and there is a promo available on Prize Picks for the NBA Finals tonight. We are going to use this pick for today's play. If you've already used it, no worries. There's tons more plays in the DFS Army Discord. You can use the form I'm about to put out as pairs, use them in other picks, but for this play, I'm going to use my Jason Tatum promo that is available on Prize Picks. And if you're not on Prize Picks, link down below, get your 100% deposit match up to $100 and 2 free months of the DFS Army Prop subscription. Now that that's play number 1, technically play number 2, it's Tanner Houck less than 6.5 strikeouts. Taking on the White Sox is a middle-of-the-road matchup in terms of strikeouts per game. Projection model 5.87. Line up minus 162 over at FanDuel. Other books minus 130. So the FanDuel number does skew things just a little bit, but I'm not too worried about it because the other 2 books are at minus 130. So that end, you go dig into his last 8 games. He's 5-3 over his last 8 starts, being under the number. I got odds, I got form, I got a good projection. Checks all the boxes for me. I need to go back into Prize Picks here and change it up and go Tanner Houck. Less than 6.5 strikeouts. Oh, I didn't change screens here. Back into Prize Picks. There we go. As play number, 2 for the video. First MLB pick that we're going to roll with. Now that we're good, let's make sure I flip screens back again. And let's go Adley Rutschman, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Only over 5 of the last 10 games. But we got minus 140 odds on DraftKings, minus 135 on BetMGM. No projection yet. Projection model still loading, but can do a little bit manual here. I do like BVP. I don't think it's the end-all, be-all, but this is a DVP site from Swish Analytics. And against Yusei Kikuchi, Adley Rutschman, 8 for 20 with 2 homers, hitting 400 overall, slugging 750. He can hit Kikuchi just fine. So that, for me, pairs with the other items that we talked about in terms of the odds. Decent form, and at least 1 hits, run, and RBI in 10 straight games. But obviously we need 2 here. Got a good matchup to do it. We're going to go play Adley Rutschman. More than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Real quick, if you want to get access to more picks and plays, all the good stuff here. You see up, I added a tracker to these videos. It's the all-time DFS Army tracker for $100 bettors. You want to get in, link down below, Sniper20 for 20% off. It's under $30 a month. All kinds of promos. There's weekly options. Go check that out. Come make some money with us over in the DFS Army Discord. Way more than just the free plays we put out on YouTube. All right, back to full screen. Back to the Proptimizer. I am going to stay attacking Kikuchi here, and we're going to go with Jordan Westberg, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. I almost pulled up his DVP too early. All right, as you can see, projection model not quite there yet, but again, solid odds, minus 140 BetMGM, minus 135 DraftKings. It correlates with the Rutschman play. He's been over 6 of the last 10 games. His DVP not as good as Adley Rutschman. I can't hide that, but he is 2 for 8, hitting 250. He has homered off Kikuchi. So again, he can clearly take him deep himself. It correlates with the Rutschman play, like I mentioned earlier. And with those solid odds for me, I have no problem, no hesitation, adding Jordan Westberg to the mix here at more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Back to the Proptimizer. Going to round things out with Davis Schneider, more than 0.5 total runs. We played a Volpe run prop yesterday. He scored in the first inning. Be nice if Schneider can do the same here. Minus 135 on both DraftKings and BetMGM. He scored in 6 of the last 10 games, 0.71 on the projection model, and I believe he is taking on a rookie today, so there's no DVP available, but should be a decent matchup. Odds, form, projection, checks all the boxes. This would be probably my least favorite of all the plays today, but 5 picks are much more valuable, profitable on Prize Picks in the long run than your 3 and 4 picks. If you didn't already, hit the like button. Check out the promos below. Plenty of deposit matches, including $500 at Sleeper. But here's your recap. Jason Tatum, more than 0.5 points on the promo. Tanner Houck, less than 6.5 strikeouts. Adley Rutschman, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Jordan Westberg, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. And Davis Schneider, more than 0.5 runs. Lock that in. That's what we got for today. We go back full screen. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in the DFS Army Discord. Plenty to do in there. WNBA has been especially hot. Got some promos to take advantage of. But for now, hit that like button. And here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck on those contests, and let's cash this ticket.